Well, hello, parents and students. I want to welcome you to a new school year, one unlike any that we've ever experienced thus far. We're really excited that you made the choice to come to Gilbert Stewart Middle School. And the first promise I have to you is that we're going to do everything we can to make sure that at the end of this school year, that you are better writers and readers and mathematicians than you were when you first entered our doors on September 14th. Furthermore, we're doing everything we can to uphold the mission and vision of this school, which is to prepare all students for college and career. So one of the things we've done this year that's different is that we've teamed all of our students and all of our teachers. We have named each of the teams for fraternities and sororities that are popular all over the country. We're trying to do everything we can to make you curious about what the next steps are for you, to really give you a good understanding of what college and career awareness is all about, to help you think about your future, the things that you really love to do, and how you might be able to take those skills and those talents you have to actually make a living. We want to also really hone in on the fact that an education is extremely important. How you choose to access that education, there are lots and lots of opportunities for you to do that, but we want you to have that awareness of what those opportunities are. So while you're here at Gilbert Stewart Middle School, we're going to be working real hard to create this college-going atmosphere and environment, to also provide you with the supports that you need to be successful. And we also want you to have fun. So we have a couple of after-school programs we're going to be running virtually for now to help really get you excited about school and keep you engaged in the process of learning. What I'm asking parents to do is to please make sure that your students attend school every single day. Whether it's online or in person, we need your students front and center, 7:20 in the morning, ready to go. We have lots of supports for you, which you're going to hear about a little bit later, and there are lots of opportunities for parent engagement. We also have multiple people here who can speak multiple languages. So we don't want language to be a barrier. We need our parents here. We need your support. And students, I'm going to ask you just one thing. Make sure that you remember that you are powerful beyond measure, that you are so worthy, that you are worthy of everything good that comes your way, and that we're going to do everything we can to ensure that while you're at Gilbert Stewart Middle School, you get a strong foundation and that you feel that you have a family that loves you. So stay tuned for the rest of this video. And once again, welcome to Gilbert Stewart Middle School, home of the Dragons.
Hello, Gilbert Stewart Middle School parents. My name is Len Kiernan. I'm one of the assistant principals, and I'm here to tell you how we are keeping your child safe at Gilbert Stewart Middle School. The first thing we do is that we make sure everybody in the building has a mask on. But I'll take mine off right now so you can probably hear me a little bit better. Now, the first thing we do are 5 points I'm going to make. The first one is that students, when they enter the building, the walkers enter through the side entrances of the building, and the bus students will enter when they pull up, will enter through the front. Upon entering the building, the walkers will be screened. There'll be a thermometer that will be and they will be checked prior to coming in. The bus students are checked before they get on the bus. The third thing that we do is we keep the students in pods. The students being in pods means that they are in one classroom for most of the day, and the teachers come to them. There is very minimal movement, and the pods are kept as pure as possible. The fourth thing is the cafeteria adjustments that we've made. Students come down to the caf in their pods and are given hand sanitizer upon entry. They are only allowed to get up to go to the bathroom, and there's plexiglass that separates the children when they're at their cafeteria table. And lastly, at the end of the day, the students leave the building at different times, so just a couple minutes apart. The walkers leave first and they go off the sides of the building, and the bus students leave a few minutes after that and they go out the front and they leave on the buses. If you have any questions about safety concerns, just please give us a call, 456-9340, or you can even come, we'll give you a temperature check, and we'll talk to you in person. Thank you.
This year, teachers have taken great care to set up their classrooms with safety as their #1 priority. Teachers have spread the students' desks appropriately. They have also created seating charts where students will remain while in the classroom. This will help if contact tracing is necessary. Students will remain in their period 1 class for the entire day with the exception of lunch. Teachers also have all their materials on cots that they will wheel into each classroom.
Yeah, so the culture of the school is one where we expect our young people to be leaders and learners, using the knowledge that they've gained here to affect change in their world. The way we do that is one through LEAD, which is our behavior management system, which your teachers will inform you more about, through our after-school programs, which will be offered via Zoom, and you'll learn more about those. You'll be receiving Timvolve messages, and also our Saturday morning tutorial program, which we're going to be offering in the near future.
Hello, Gilbert Stewart students and families. My name is Ms. Mathis, and I am the assistant principal at Gilbert Stewart Middle School, and I'm going to take you for a virtual tour. So let's go. Oh, hold on a second. Remember to wear your mask over your nose and your mouth. Let's go. Let's begin our tour at our Research Media Center. If you want to know more about a topic, person, or place you're studying in your language arts class, social studies, and even science classes, the Research Media Center is a place your teachers can find additional resources and additional technology to make your lessons come alive. Our second stop is in front of the nurse's office. Nurse Malloy is our school nurse. Her office is located on the first floor by the girls' gym. You know you have arrived in the right place because you will see room 100 on top of the doorway, and Nurse Malloy will greet you at the doorway. Nurse Malloy will screen you by taking your temperature and asking you specific questions about your visit to her clinic. During the pandemic, we also have an isolation room for students and staff who need additional attention. Let's head over to the guidance office. It is located right next door to our main office. Our guidance office houses our guidance clerk, Ms. Monique, our 3 counselors, Mr. Jips, who is the teacher leader of guidance, Ms. Rivera, she's our 6th grade counselor, Ms. Lopez, she's our 7th grade counselor, and Mrs. Kaminsky, our 8th grade counselor. Ms. Monique helps our students and families with student enrollment, bus passes, schedules, late arrivals, and early dismissals. If you need to speak with your grade level counselor, Ms. Monique will arrange for student and parent appointments and point you in the right direction. Our next stop is our main office. Our main office houses 3 of our clerks. They will welcome you first at the front door, so remember to press the bell. After pressing the bell, you will be ushered in and they will ask you for ID. Parents, please make sure you have a photo license or a photo ID for verification. And please, parents, make sure you have updated your emergency form this year. Now, let's take a trip to our cafeteria. This year at Gilbert Stewart, our lunchtime is a little different from previous years. Our lunch room is located in the basement. In order to keep everyone safe, we have a few new procedures in place for students to follow during lunchtime. Each day you eat lunch, your teacher will escort you to the cafeteria. You will be seated in your pods at the same assigned tables each day. Each pod is seated 14 feet away from each other because this is required by the CDC guidelines. We have your seating marked to make sure you're enjoying your lunch in a safe manner. Ms. Anya has also purchased plexiglass for our cafeteria tables, so you are able to eat your lunch in a safe manner with your friends and classmates. So I guess that brings us to the end of our tour. I hope you enjoyed your visit.